Hi guys, welcome back to the next episode in the Psyduck movies. And I'm very tired. I've just been on a residential at school. That a few days ago. So let's get to this episode. It is baseball. And the next episode will be the water gym. We'll show you what it looks like. It may be bright, but that's what the water gym looks like, and you can see the reflection of it. It's quite bright. The water Pokemon to fight in there. Yeah. Anyway, technically, we are playing a game called Baseball Bat and Guns. So, someone starts with a baseball bat. Say, I do. They're going to wipe out everyone like Eevee. Ow! Ow! Knockout. And then the last person remaining has to run like Jigglypuff, run. Grab the laser gun, like this, and go. Bang! Bang! To the person with the baseball bat. Yeah. So, who's going to be the baseball bat whacker? Who's it going to be? Jigglypuff is the baseball bat whacker, so Jigglypuff starts. You guys better hide. Okay, I know where I'm going. I can't fit there in the petrol. 19, 20, coming! It's got Donald Trump on it, but that doesn't matter.